I already replaced him. He won't notice. I froze behind the door. My name wasn't said. But my life was. They laughed. Soft. Casual. Like it was nothing. I stood there. Holding my phone. Still recording from earlier. Weeks of trust clicked into place. Late nights. Promises. All fake. I didn't interrupt. Didn't breathe. Didn't move. I let them finish. Let them plan. Let them forget I existed. Then I stepped back into the dark. Deleted nothing. Said nothing. They thought I was gone. They had no idea what I just heard.